Hi everyone, how are you? Nice to see you. I hope you had a great weekend. Check this out. This is the Moodle. Once you get to Moodle, you go Moodle 1 Emotions and Success. And in Moodle, you're going to find out Flipped Classroom. In Flipped Classroom, you have Engage, an activity here to practice the first conditional and another topic. So you go click on Engage, and here you just gonna find this activity. This is a video of a friend of mine who I interview, and then you just answer the 3 questions. Okay, this is not right and wrong. Don't worry, I won't give you an evaluation. For me, just for you to focus on some vocabulary and so forth. Okay, so in this case, this is what you're going to do in the first Engage activity. Then you have the second Engage activity it's very short. Her video is like 1 minute. The second Engage is this one, Hercules. So Hercules is send a video, and you just answer the questions, which are 3 questions. You just select A, B, or C, or D. Yes. Then you have here you have the apply. I'm sorry, the review. You'll find there an explanation of the grammar, which is first conditional. Okay, so you check it out. Then you'll have apply. Apply is an online game that you do quickly, yes, to practice the first conditional and the ed and ing, which is a topic that we're going to be working with as well. And finally, you have the challenge. The challenge is the idea is to make a meme, using the first conditional. Yes, this is one that I found from Bill Gates. It's kind of boring, but you can make a fun one, enjoy it. Okay, so have fun, and the only thing they say, you post it, you upload it. There is available for you to upload it before class, so probably we can check it in class together. Okay, guys, thank you very much. Have fun.